Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Orlando Pirates 1, Siwelele 0. I'm joined by Umakeba.
No, you missed the word. The only sesquipedalian that leaves people with hippopomonstrous sesquipedalophobia still. Yeah.
Repeat, Umakeba.
The only sesquipedalian that leaves people with hippopomonstrous sesquipedalophobia. Yeah.
What does it mean?
Leave it, Still. You'll get it another time. Yeah, Still, I think I won't be long because of time, Still. I think going into the game, starting from our defense line, or on the left side, we had Hoto, Siema, Mbogazi, and Libito. A player like Libito coming from an injury with such a marvelous performance, Still. I was surprised that was he even on an injury or was he practicing while on injury still?
Fake injury.
Not a fake injury still. Okay. It's let's leave it. Then going to the midfielder. I think our midfielder from the first half, I would give it. Yeah, it was. I would say not that solid. We had a Nduli. Especially Nduli, where he made most of ball recoveries, but I think they did not end up anywhere within chance because we had more a player like who's this play from Siwelele, Lunga. Yeah, that was dressed like a Tito Steve.
Dressed like
I'm dressed.
Oh,
yeah.
Like you, man.
He made
like
this he made many interceptions. He made many interceptions where I ended up thinking that he was going to create a goal, but the goals of football. Going to our front line, we had a first half. It was a Mufukeng, Mabasa, and Sibelebele. Those Belebele today, I always say persistence beats resistance. Still, I know he tried making shots, but
nothing.
Yeah, Steve.
Nothing.
It's tough being a player, Steve. But going into second half with those substitutes, I think Coach Abdislam, in science term, we say he's a catalyst. He speeds up the rate of reaction still. From what you saw on the first half, he didn't waste time. On the second half, immediately starting a Ozonapolis and a dancing on the midfield still with a one touch pass still, a scanning from a DDC player playing like that still. I think let's not rush the process, but I see him being in a Bafana squad still. Then we had a player like Umuremu on the left side. A player like Umuremu, again, let's not rush the process. I know people would say why the coach does not start a Umuremu. But still, let's not rush the process. It's coming. First game he had a coach, they said he brings in new players. If we are winning, they say why is it starting from the bench? So I think we're having a little bit of we are not consistent still. Let's not rush the process. Abdislam, I think he's cooking. I think something will come. So I wondered, still, why are you wearing red? Marano. Too short Arabia.
And Chris Excel, like at Minia Pirates. Too short Arabia.
No wonder you're wearing red. Oh, yeah. Too short Arabia.
Oh, can I Jimashi? James, Jimashi.
Was a Maureen Makeba.
Too short Arabia. Hey, red worked during this week still.
Yeah.
The color red worked over time still. Yeah. Then I would say my man of the match, I would give it to Elibito still. You know why?
Wow.
With such a great performance coming from an injury still, I'm very happy.
You are happy, Makeba.
Very happy still. Then we can close it by saying
Bombastic.
Mbogazi still. And Ilogo Fushas Hipopognorias still. What a great player.
What does that mean, Makeba?
A great player still.
It's what?
Ilogo Fushas Hipopognorias.
It comes from which language?
Greatness still.
It comes from which language, Makeba?
It's English still.
It's Khwase.
Ke Greek.
Ilogo Fushas Hipopognorias still.
Makeba, sure.
Yeah, they can search it still.
Shangani, Tushotarga.
Do your